is my Mark II Mazda MX5. The plan with this MX5 is to turn it from being a tired, rusty old car into a showstopper. And don't worry about the rusty arches and sills, they're going to be getting fixed in the very near future. So if this MX5 is going to look the part, we need it to sound the part. This is supposed to be a sports car, but as you can hear, there is literally nothing to listen to.
I'm not even joking, in them clips, it smelled like a hairdryer just went bombing past, yeah.
Okay, now let's head back to the driveway because I have a modification waiting that will not only make this car louder, but also faster. Okay, so the thing that's going to improve my MX5 is in this box. Now, if you know what ram air is, you're going to know what this modification is. Got a key ring.
Yeah, that's sick. Silicone hose.
Another one. Is that the
Heat shield. Oh, it's already built. Oops. That's the bit I've got the... That's the bit I got the rubber mat for, and it's the only bit that didn't touch it.
foam one?
Oh, it's a foam one. That's going to be so loud.
It's huge.
So you've got a foam filter as well. That, do you know how loud that's going to be?
It's like the size of my head.
This is sick.
Doesn't look too complicated. Okay, so as you can see, we've got heat shield, silicone hose, and a foam filter. And this is going to replace all of this pipe that goes to the throttle body. So let's start fitting it. Right, let's get started. This one.
That's it, yeah.
So this is to the throttle body.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Right, it's not doing anything.
It is, it's loosening it. That's it.
It's genuinely not doing anything, I can feel it.
Oh, it's because it's an 8. You've got to leave that bit in. Right, now
Yeah,
we're
it's
on the
moving
money.
now.
Sorry, that's my
I
bad.
knew it wasn't me. I just don't get how you use it. Like you know when you do it, it looks so effortless.
It's because it is.
Yeah, but
The ratchet does the job for you.
look.
Yeah, that's it. That's loosened now. Pull that off the throttle body.
Oh, that.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Oh, it's all gone now.
Right, yeah, now.
Now I don't need to take that one off.
Yeah, go on. That's a 10 number.
You sure?
Yeah. That's it. When it gets loose like that, you have to hold it. Now get them ones in the side. Unplug these though. Pull that little button at the end, look. There, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Now unplug this. Just pull it.
That?
Yeah. Just like wiggle it out.
Okay.
That's it. Put them out of the way. Now there's 2 bolts.
That one?
That's it. That's it. Yeah, you just go with your fingers.
So I actually despise doing anything on a car.
Right, now pull it all off. Wait. You got to disconnect it from there, look. Just pull it out.
That?
Yeah, you're going to dirty hands there, though. That's it.
Okay. Oh.
There you go. That's the intake pipe off. Now the airbox. It's already going the right way.
What, towards that
Yeah.
way? Right, let me come that side. Right, you ready?
Yeah. There you go.
I did it.
That's got it.
What, just pull it off now? Or just
No, you
out?
obviously take the bolt out.
It's coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is bolts from 1999, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can hear the 1999ness
Oh my god, look at
of it. There you go. Right, now is there another one? Yeah, one there, down there, look.
There?
That's it.
Okay. Yes. You're getting good.
There you go. There you go. Now that airbox should pull off.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
Out.
Oh boy.
And it's not actually that bad. To be fair, look around the. That's crusty, but that's a bracket. I mean, that could probably come off if you want it. There's a bolt there, look.
Yeah, and at the back. I don't know why I'm so bad at this. Well, that, oh, next there.
Oh, there's one more. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, now, they're not looking happy.
No, that's what I thought.
They're looking really sorry for themselves. Right, now, this bracket comes out as well. Right, you're going to have to push down on these, though. Make sure the socket's all the way on.
Because it put around them.
And it may do it, if I'm honest.
I don't think this even knows it's a 10 anymore.
Yeah, I don't think that even is a bolt. On. Look. Right, so what I'm going to do. Get the big ratchet. So it's come out. Surprisingly. Oh no. That's rounded. Damn!
We have run into our first problem, so I think it's time to get the grinder out and get this off.
Are you ready for a contraption?
Oh god.
Right, that bolt's on there, look. So you've got screws all bolted to it.
Really?
I think I've now made this a flathead. So hopefully... yeah, now. Right, back to the grinder.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not pretty.
Don't try that one at home either.
It's not pretty, but that bracket's off. What?
Wow. Looks great. Okay, now everything is off that was original, and now it is time to fit the ram air. Right, putting this on the throttle body. Okay. Am I on?
That's it, keep going, push.
Oh.
That's it, you're fully on. Now
And
get
then
the
that goes-
angle of it right.
Oh, which one? I don't know.
There you go, there. Right, that's step one.
Well, that bit.
Yes.
Is that for a sensor?
That is for that you plugged off, took off earlier.
Okay,
That's it.
that way.
That's the one.
Does this need a Jubilee? On there.
That's it.
Okay. I've watched you do these before.
Twist at the same time. There you go. That'll do. Is that in? You got enough room to get the clamp on?
Put that on.
Yeah.
Like that.
All the way.
Okay.
As far as it'll go. That'll do. Now 2 Jubilee clamps. Go on the end of that. It's pretty far on, then you should be good. Now heat shield. In fact, now that. That's it.
Okay.
Right, now spin that.
Need to twist this way. Like that.
Yeah. Now it's the heat shield. There you go.
Ah! Aha!
You get it?
Yeah, but don't I have to bolt into the things that...
Oh, it does. Of course it does. Oh no. Oh no. Right, okay. We need to get that out somehow then. Oh no.
Did it go? No.
No.
Let's catch up again when we've finally got this bolt out. Have you done it?
Yeah, Gary done it. Gary the grinder.
Right.
No, literally just like cut a hole down, like a deeper hole in the bolt. Miraculously, just put the flathead in it and just went, come off.
Smashed it.
I think a bit of heat as well helped it, getting it red hot.
So now we can put the heat shield on.
Yes.
Right.
With the 2 new bolts that they've actually supplied.
In here?
Yeah.
Slide.
Unless you want to use that other one, it looks like a crackhead too.
Jesse. Let me think of it on my own.
There you go.
You're about to. There's the bolts. Right. So just put them in a bit
That's it.
by myself first.
That's it, now do the other one.
This bit is super easy. I'm literally just tightening the Jubilee clips so that all of this stays in place. Okay, so what I'm doing here is adding the foam filter onto the pipe and just making sure that everything is secure and in the right place. And then you just need to tighten up the Jubilee clips, make sure that everywhere is safe and secure and all fits inside the engine bay perfectly. Okay, there's one thing left to do, and that's plug in, is it this?
The MAF sensor.
MAF sensor back in and then starting the car.
All the way.
All the way.
That's it.
I'm actually useless with cars. There we go, that's in.
Tuck them down there. That temp sensor goes there.
Now it is time for the most exciting bit. Let's start the car up.
Oh my god, you can hear it. That's it stuck in air in. Oh my god, that's well loud. That is well loud.
Now it's time to go and test it on the road. Right, can I test it?
Yeah. Oh my god! Why is that so loud? Sounds like a sports car.
Yeah.
That's so much louder.
I really like it. That's well loud.
That actually sounds like it's got a beefy engine in it, doesn't it? I'm well impressed.
That's a huge difference, though, isn't it?
That is a massive difference.
I can't believe it.
Massive.
I'm going to enjoy driving this more now.
Exactly. You don't have to do much to these cars to get like more enjoyment out of them. It sounds like VTEC.
No, I was going to say that, but I thought it sounded stupid.
No, it actually does.
Yeah, I feel like it's got something, like a crossover now.
Yeah, that is exactly what it sounds like.
Okay, I've just got home and I am so happy with the results of this intake. So a huge thank you to Ramair for kindly sending this out. If you did enjoy today's video and you want to see more content on the MX5, then do like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.